wondering what might be the best app to learn German? Well, then keep watching because this video is for you. If you're new here, hi, I'm Petra, and if you're watching this, I guess you probably want to move to either Austria or Germany, or maybe you've already done so and now you want to level up your German. Now, if that's the case, I guess that learning German is your #1 barrier to maybe get a job, get promoted, or just integrate into the local culture. And trust me, I get it. I've been working with hundreds of clients like yourself, and I also used to suck at German a lot. Now, there are many ways how you can learn German. I already talked about tips and tricks on this channel, though recently I came across an app that's called Speakly that really caught my attention. And Speakly was so kind to support this video so that I can bring it to you guys. So let me show you how it works, plus why I'm so excited about it. And of course, if you want to check it out, I put down the link in the description below. The first thing that caught my attention was that Speakly offers their app in many different languages, even in Czech, which is great. I think it's so much easier to learn a foreign language in your native language compared to maybe English. Now, I chose English, of course, for the purpose of this video. Next, you can decide how much you want to learn daily, which allows you to, of course, learn at your own pace. The app even tells you how many words a day are considered optimal and hard, so you can make an informed decision. Now, the great thing is you can test all the app features for 7 days before you actually choose to pay for it. So once everything is set up, you can start studying. Now, the app asks you if you ever studied German before, so you can either choose to start from the beginning or take a placement test. I think this is another great feature, so you can really start from where you're at, and it only takes a few minutes. You will answer just a bunch of questions and that's it. The app tells you exactly what level you're at and creates a learning path tailor-made to your needs. Now, Speakly teaches you 4,000 most relevant German words, and before you start learning, the app gives you several learning options. Multiple choice answers, typing, or both. Now, I chose both, but I think this is just another great feature where you can really choose your own learning style because, of course, we all learn differently. You will start learning phrases, so for example, fass meine Sachen nicht an. You will listen to them and try to remember them. And next, you will fill in the blanks and speak it. The app recognizes your speech and evaluates it. Ich kann im April nicht nach Kalifornien kommen.
Ich kann im April nicht nach Kalifornien kommen.
I honestly think this is such a game changer. The app forces you to first think about how you would say something, then speak it out loud, and then you will listen to it again in correct German. This will 100% skyrocket your learning journey compared maybe just to listening to things or maybe learning phrases by heart. Next feature are live situations. So you will be prompted to a real life situation, like in this case, talking to a friend about their trip to Ibiza. You will start a conversation with a fictional friend. Now, first you listen, then you ask him or her a question that is predefined by the app, and then you say it out loud, and again, the app evaluates whether that's a correct answer. Waren Sie an dem Hinweg oder sind Sie auch zurückgekommen?
Waren Sie auf dem Hinweg oder sind Sie auch zurückgekommen?
Another great feature that literally simulates real-life conversations that you might have if you move to Germany or to Austria, which I think it's great because this is the fastest way to learn a foreign language. Furthermore, there are listening exercises, music recommendations, and so much more. Okay, but what about grammar? Now, Speakly knows you won't really get fluent in German from learning grammar, and they keep it pretty short and simple. I spent years learning German grammar in school, and guess what? When I first moved to Germany, I couldn't even follow some basic real-life conversation. So thumbs up for that. Overall, I think Speakly is a great way to learn German. I think that since the app forces you to speak a lot, it puts you into real-life conversations and it doesn't focus too much on grammar, I think that you will get your results super fast. So if you want to check it out, I put the link in the description below. Now I want to hear from you. So are you learning German, or do you maybe plan to learn German? And what is your #1 challenge? Are you going to check out Speakly? Let us know in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.